In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome back. In this video, we will explain how to void NDC-issued documents in Amadeus. For NDC bookings, airline sales are reported directly to the IATA BSP or ARC by the airlines. The airline system determines whether a cancellation is processed as a void or a refund, typically based on whether the action is taken on the same day as issuance. Here, we can see the query report showing documents issued today, April 6, 2026. You can retrieve a booking file, or PNR, using either traditional cryptic mode or graphical mode. However, as we learned in our previous videos, you must manage the voiding of NDC documents in graphical mode, GUI. Once retrieved, the booking file opens in graphical mode. Here, you can see the NDC tag alongside the booking file details. You will also notice the ticket arrangement indicator, TKOK, and the date, April 6, 2026, confirming the documents were issued today. This section also displays the reservation number, the NDC order ID, and the Amadeus record locator and airline record locators. In the booking files, e-ticket and EMD section, click on the issued e-ticket number hyperlink. You can see that both coupons are currently open for use. Now, let's exit the e-ticket record and return to the booking file. Before canceling, it is best practice to check the rules. In the Products section, click the Full Fare Conditions hyperlink. Select the Abu Dhabi to London Heathrow segment and click the Penalty option to view the specific charges or fees. You should also check the penalty rules for the return flight from London Heathrow to Abu Dhabi. Now, let's proceed with the cancellation. In the Products section, you can either click the Cancel Order hyperlink or click the drop-down menu next to the Confirmed status. This reveals a list of actions. From here, select Cancel Order. A Cancel Order window will pop up with a warning message. If the cancellation is done on the same day, the type will show as Void. If there are charges involved or if it is processed on the same day or not, it would be treated as a refund. The message will also confirm that you are releasing the space back into the airline's inventory. Click the Cancel Order button to proceed. A confirmation message will appear stating, NDC order was successfully cancelled and status changed to void. Click Continue to close the form. If you attempt to click the e-ticket number hyperlink now, you will typically see an error message. This is normal for NDC voided documents. To view the PNR in its traditional format, click the Cryptic display hyperlink. You can also switch to Cryptic mode to retrieve the PNR history. Here, you can see the detailed history of the NDC order creation, as well as the cancellation history for your review. In our next video, we will show you how to exchange or reissue an NDC e-ticket in Amadeus. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.